Square question number 3. 5 equal squares are placed side by side to make a single rectangle whose perimeter is 372 inches. Find the number of square inches in the area of one of these squares. So the perimeter of the rectangle made by 5 equal squares is 372. This is like this. There are 5 equal squares side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because all are equal, so the sides will be x for each. Now the perimeter of this rectangle is 372 inches. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? The sum of all sides. So the sides are, these are 5x, 5x and 2x, so 12x. So perimeter 372, that is 12x is equal to 372. So one side is 31. So this side is 31. The question says the number of square inches in the area of one of these squares. The area of one of these squares is x square. So area is equal to x square, that is 31 square, 961. So 961 square inches is the area of one of these squares. Okay. The answer to this question third will be 961, that is D. Question number 4. What is the difference in surface area between a square with side 9 and a cube with edge 3? A square with side 9 and a cube with edge 3. A square with side 9 and a cube with edge 3. Edge is the cube has edge and square has side. Okay, cube side will be that face, actually that's why they call it edge. Okay, so the surface area of a square is simple area, that is x square. So 9 square is equal to 81 is the surface area of this square. But in the case of a cube, there are 6 faces to a cube. Every face is a square. So the area of every face is x square. Because there are 6 such faces, so the total area, surface area of the cube will be 6x square. The surface area of a cube is 6x square. Because there are 6 faces, so 6x square is 3 square, that is 54. The surface area of cube is 54 and the surface area of square is 81. The question says the difference between these two areas. So 81 minus 54 is 27 square inches is the difference between these two areas. Okay, so the answer to this question is question number 4, 27. It's D. Question number 5. If the sides of a square are tripled, then what happens to its perimeter? It's tripled. D. I already told you the perimeter is tripled. Question number 6. The side of a square forms the radius of a circle with a circumference of 10. What is the perimeter of a square? So the side of a square is x and the radius of circle is r. The question says the side of a square is equal to the radius of circle and the circumference is 10. Question number 6. Circumference of 10. circumference is equal to 10 to pi r is equal to 10, so r is equal to 5 over pi. This is radius, so radius is actually side, that is x is equal to 5 over pi. So he says the perimeter of square, that is 4x, 4 times 5 over pi, 20 over pi is the perimeter of square. If you want to visualize this question, it will be like this. This is radius of circle. This is also side of a square, so it's like this. So the radius and x are same. It's just for visualization, otherwise you don't need this figure to solve the question. Okay. Alright, and the answer to this question number 6 is 20 over pi, that's C. Okay. Question number 7. Question says, what is the area in square inches of a square whose diagonal is 6 inches? So diagonal is given 6, diagonal is 6. So remember, d square is equal to x square plus x square. So d square is equal to 2x square. So d is 6. So 36 divided by 2 is x square. So x square is equal to 18. X square is actually area. So area is equal to 18. That's what he asks us. Okay. So question number 7 is 18. The area is 18. Alright, question number 8 is the last question. A general is wishing to arrange his men who were 335250, this many in number, into a solid square. Found that there were 9 men over. How many men were there in the front row? So there are total 335250 men, but when he arranges them in a square, in a solid square, there are 9 men over. So it means he will arrange this many men in the square. Means this number is a perfect square. So all you need to do is find out the square root of this, that is 579. So in every row there will be 579 people and there will be 579 rows. 579 by 579, this is a square. Alright, so this is it to the square. Okay, so we will do rectangle next. Thank you.